Hot chili rings. Let's make a crispy and crunchy snack with green chili. Welcome to my channel Madhura Smriti. Cook healthy, eat healthy and stay healthy. Take about 250 grams of big green chilies, wash them thoroughly, wipe it out and cut into rings like this. Make thin slices. Now remove the seeds and keep all the rings aside. Take it in a bowl and squeeze 1 lemon juice and add little salt and keep it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. Salt releases the moisture and lemon juice absorbed by the green chili rings gives a nice taste. Now mix well and keep it aside till it releases moisture. After 5 minutes you can see a lot of moisture being released, which helps to coat the spices adding to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour and 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 teaspoon of ajwain. Crush in a hand and it releases its flavor. Now add half teaspoon of cumin powder, a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder or as per your taste. Since these green chilies are not spicy, so you can add red chili powder as per your taste. Now mix all these ingredients till it coats well to the chili rings. To make it more chatpata, you can add garam masala or chaat masala as well. It is totally optional. If you feel there is a moisture, you can add little besan or rice flour and mix well till it coats well and becomes dry. Now heat oil for the deep frying and drop these coated rings slowly into the hot oil. Fry them on a low to medium flame till they turn crispy. You can see change in the color and turning the rings into crisp. Now remove from the oil and take it on the kitchen towel to remove excess oil. As such, these rings do not take or absorb excess oil. Fry the remaining batch the same way and now serve hot as an evening snack or as a side dish. Enjoy crispy, crunchy, green chili hot rings. Try this recipe, and for more interesting and healthy recipes, do watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.